Hello everybody, I'm Susanne from Susie's Journal Adventure and welcome to a new adventure in and with my journals. Today with my Winter Journal Challenge journal. If you've missed how I made this fun journal with a shaker cover, I have a whole playlist with all my videos for the Winter Journal Challenge and I will link this one down below in the description box. So today I want to create a spread for the prompt soundtrack to the season of the prompt list for the Winter Journal Challenge. The Winter Journal Challenge is hosted by Kia Creates and I will of course link her account down below in the description box. And the prompt says, what does your soundtrack to the season sound like? A festive playlist, sleigh bells, tearing, wrapping paper. Yeah, I thought I want to create on this journal spread a kind of a mixed media page. And I thought, why don't I just create on this spread without talking? If you follow me on Instagram and you watch my reels, then you probably know that I love reels and editing videos for you without music and without talking. So I just love the sound of tearing paper, the sound of tearing fabric, the sound of going over the page with my spatula, spreading the paint or texture paste with a spatula on the journal spread, going over with my hands on the paper, or the crinkling sound of paper that you crumble up. Today I want to make a video without talking and with just my own soundtrack to the season while creating this spread. So have fun, enjoy all the amazing sounds, and thank you for watching.